Hello, ITSE 1350. Um, my name is Shelby, and today I will be going over some examples and definitions of Web 2.0. So, first question is, what is Web 2.0? So, Web 2.0 can be best described as the changing trends in the use of tech that World Wide Web uses. These technologies are used to enhance creativity, security, and drive innovation within the internet. The next slides we'll be going over are examples of this. So, next example, or first example, is social media websites. One example of Web 2.0 is social media websites. These websites allow you to share images, videos, text, and more within your web browser. Some examples of these websites are Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and many more. Social media has allowed people to connect like they never have before, and Web 2.0 played a vital part in this. You know, Facebook was birthed on the internet, and it actually was a big player in the social media industry. It was one of the biggest and really drove innovation in that sector for Web 2.0. Next example we have is host services. This example is referring to services on the internet that gives you server space and to host web applications and web pages. Examples of this are HostGator, GoDaddy, AWS, or Amazon Web Services, and many more. A server stores, sends, and receives data. This is key to the internet to work because without them, we could not load websites. When you go to a URL, such as google.com, it is requesting that web page from their server and then is transmitting it to your computer so that you can use it. That's basically how servers and work with devices in the internet. The next example is image and video sharing. This is a part of social media, websites, and services, but it is one part of Web 2.0 that made it such a vital part of people's lives. Image and video sharing allows people to be more engaged with the internet, bringing a lot of entertainment and allowing websites to go viral, which brings a massive audience. It allows millions of people to learn, express, and share on the World Wide Web like they never were to do before. So, more on this. Basically, image and video sharing allowed websites and blogs to share images of leaked iPhones, show images of celebrities at different events, and people really like them, share it with their friends, and it brings more people to that web page and the internet in whole. Next example is web applications. These are things that make the internet work so well with everyday life. Examples of this are online shopping carts, word processors, spreadsheets, file conversion and scanning, email, and many more. These make the internet so useful and adds value to people's lives. So, web applications is pretty much the most useful part of the internet. It was actually when the internet was birthed, a lot of people use early versions of web applications such as grocery list makers and ordering books and such on the internet. um, it makes the internet something where you don't just read, look, and see. It's really, you can interact with it, use it as a tool, and make it a part of your daily life. So this is the end of my presentation. Sources I used is StackPath, a blog on StackPath. They had a really great article about applications on the internet and web applications in the whole. And Wikipedia had a lot of useful, awesome information on Web 2.0's origins, its uses, and everything. So thank you so much for taking the time to listen and read my presentation. I appreciate it, and thank you.